I once used to. To the soul of the children, I was readily silly. He walked away with a few cops. A few dogs and the bosses, few stops. A couple of hundred blinks and an eye drop to remove. All the other few blocks and the gold to the blue store. Killing my friends while living in bread, breaking my breath. I'm sending my message, you better buy the roof dog. A cigarette and force a few spark up. Make the roof up bigger than everything. See if a second wasn't too sharp. Surroundings new, and then trodden and doom that I'll regret and go back the afternoon. Pull up some brass, pull out the gas, but weak as if somebody had their tunic soon. So how the fuck can you lose when the world something's hating? It's man abuse, my grand fumes, and these the fuck trucks keep chuckling. Though not as much as the corrupt confidence, though, none of the underling. Make it up,